about my performance and about Pawan Kalyan sir, and I'm just it's very nice to know that it's my first Telugu film and I've gotten such good feedback from everybody.
Did you watch in theatre? What is the experience in theatre?
I actually didn't have a chance to watch it in the theatre. I watched it only at the screening.
Which scene you got more response in audience?
I think I got the most amount of positive responses for when Sandhya goes to the village and when she's seen in traditional attire, and how she plays a very simple girl, and you know, she's at home with her family, with Ashok Anna and Lakshmaka and Bama, and when Jay comes to see her in the village, I've gotten the best responses for that. Who gave me my first response? I think immediately after the screening, everyone who had come for the screening, sort of when I went outside, everyone from the producers to people who were watching, Pawan Garu's family was there as well, and they all had like really nice things to say.
Which song do you like very much?
My most favorite song is Ella Ella. I also love the title track, but my most favorite song is Ella Ella. पापा राइडू का जो कैरेक्टर है मुझे बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा. चाला बाउंते. It was absolutely awesome, and I liked it because the comedy aspect that he brought to the screen was absolutely fantastic. उसको कुछ कहने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है, बस उनको देख के आप हंस पड़ते हैं. और Dr. Brahmanandan is also a really great person. जब हम set पे थे तो he was very, you know, sort of very humble, and we chat and we spoke and we laughed a lot on set.
Tell me about Pawan Kalyan.
Pawan Kalyan is a power star, and everybody knows this, and his fans love him so much, and I'm very happy that his fans have extended their warmth to me as well. And Pawan as a person is amazing. He's a great actor, but also even on set, despite the fact that he's such a big star, he's still very humble, very down to earth. He's very patient with me, even though I'm, you know, first time Telugu film and I don't speak Telugu that well. I don't speak Telugu, but sometimes with the dialogues I have to say it twice, thrice, 3 times. I had to do one take, but he was very patient, and he's just a really amazing human being.
How did you feel Tollywood response and the reception of you?
The response has been great. My Twitter page is filled with responses from people from all over the world saying, you know, we love you, Sandhya, and your character was really great, and the pairing between you and Pawan Kalyan was really good. So like I said, I'm very, very humbled, and thank you to all the fans.
Say something about your producers also.
Nilima, Shobu and Nagesh are like family to me now. I thank them for giving me this, for believing in my potential and giving me this opportunity to star in such a big film, and as my debut. And also even during the filming process, they took really good care of me. In fact, when we were in we were in Vagamand, I fell really ill in Vagamand or Polachi, I'm not sure, and they actually flew me to Bombay just for one day to see my family doctor and come back to shoot. And it caused like a lot of problems because the schedule got a little messed up, but they were still very cooperative, and they didn't make anything less for me while we were filming. मैं सॉरी, आपका सवाल ठीक से सुनाई नहीं दिया.
इसके साथ पिक्चर देखे आप टाइम पर देखे पिक्चर खत्म होने के बाद
हाँ,
आपका जो कैरेक्टर है उसको देख के आपको क्या बताया?
मैं didn't I just answer this question? मैंने पिक्चर स्क्रीनिंग के टाइम पे देखा. I think it was 8th night, और मैं अकेली गई, और सब वहाँ पे थे. अनु थी, अनुवर्धन, विष्णुवर्धन, all the producers were there. पवन गरू की entire family भी थे वहाँ पे. और जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा, जब मैं बाहर आई थिएटर से स्क्रीनिंग के बाद, तो सभी का रिस्पांस जो था बहुत ही अच्छा था, और मेरे बारे में बहुत ही स्वीट से थिंग्स कह रहे थे. और आई एम जस्ट हैप्पी दैट आई वाज एबल टू पोर्ट्रे द कैरेक्टर रियली वेल.
Okay, tell me about Ali and Subbaraj. remaining characters?
Ali again, full cartoon, just making us laugh the entire time. And Subbaraju is a very, I think Subbaraju has managed to capture his character again in the film very well. Ashok Anaya, and Ashok Anaya is a very strong person in the film and a very important person in Sandhya's life. And he's the elder brother, so he's very protective of Sandhya and what she does and where she goes and who she meets. And I think that they both have sort of portrayed that really well in the film. And in fact, my first scene was with Subbaraju. And he was very helpful with, my Telugu dialogues, and he told me, you should say this like that, you can say this way. So great working experience.
Could you share any special moments and sweet things while shooting?
Well, I own a cupcake shop in Bombay, and Nilima wants to open a cupcake shop in Hyderabad. So she kept telling me to buy cupcakes and bring them to Hyderabad. So I brought some, and I gave little boxes to all the vanity vans, and I sent one box to Pawan Garu's van as well. And the next day when we were shooting, he said, I thank you for the cupcakes. I said, you're welcome. He said, I ate all of them. I said, okay, they're very dangerous. I said, okay, cool. So yeah, that was kind of sweet and funny.
Okay, tell me about your own center music.
I can't hear you.
Music.
The music is, well, it's a super duper hit, I think. Yuvan has managed to work through it fantastically, even though he suffered the loss of his mother. I can't imagine what that must feel like, and to be able to be so professional and yet deliver what he had promised. The title track is everybody's ringtone now, everybody's caller tune. And like I said, I love Ella Ella, and all the other songs as well. Everything from the way it was recorded to the way it was sung to the way Vishnu has sort of directed it, the way he's designed the videos. I think everything sort of lends to the experience of watching